My school is situated in fascinating village. It's called Alapati Ratmo district. It is the Alapati College. Although the school is situated in a small area, the students' knowledge is in a high position. We are best studies from grade 1 to grade 30. My school is for studying from computers and computer section. My school is for high position comparing with other schools. The buildings are being built currently. In future will we have have chance to study advanced level in section also. There are about 1,000 students and 70 teachers are there in my school that I wanted to say proudly. My school is there are extracurricular activities performing in guiding and cadet. Now we are able to again best knowledge is in studying from computer. Most of the children are now engaged in extracurricular activities while expanding their knowledge. We are making us every resource. Although we have less facilities, our students have shown many abilities in sports. Our vision is bring the school in high position and create the excellent students. Thank you.